In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Timeline View within Slingshot. So you can see here that I am set to my Timeline View, and I have my tasks in here for my August newsletter, and I want to plan now my October. So I'm going to actually come here, and you have some different options within your Timeline View. You can change your group by, so you can group your tasks over here by certain things, such as your status, priority, assignee, and things like that. You can change your sort by within your Timeline View. You can also change your zoom level if you wanted to see maybe months or weeks or days. And you can also change the color that you are seeing on your different pills within your Timeline View. You can do things like either show your legend or not, and show weekends or not. And now if I want to add in my October newsletter, I'm gonna just come here and I'm going to click that I want to start this actually in September. And I want my newsletter to go out, let's say, October 26th. And now I can continue to add in all of my different tasks right from my Timeline View. So if I come here, now I want to finalize my topics by, let's say, we'll start this on the 20th to the 26th of September. And then I need to draft my email, which will happen from the 27th, let's say the 3rd. And I can quickly drag and drop to set the dependencies within my Timeline View. So I know that, for example, my creative can't start until my content is finished and drafted. So I can set this here, I can move this over, and I have a ton of different functionality now within my Timeline View where I can clearly see and set dependencies and orders within my different tasks.